Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to download Payslip in Greythr. So here, the first thing that you should do is you just have to log into your account. After that, right here on your dashboard, you have this add icon. So you just simply click on this one. That's right. And then here, using the search bar, you just have to search for Payslip. Okay, so make sure to select the print email Payslip. That's right. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and then right here we just have to select our employee. Okay, so for example, if you want to download all of the pay slip of your employees, so you have to select all, but I'm just going to select two. After that, scroll down all the way to the bottom and then click on download as PDF. Okay, so now let's check the payslip of these employees. So we have their payslip right here. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.